Good morning. Well, I've got some news for you here in Puerto Del Carmen. This place is finally being knocked down, rebuilt, and I'm not sure what it's going to be. I think it's going to be another commercial centre, but if you don't know this place, it's where Way West was, and Way West was the final Mexican restaurant that was standing in this complex. And I think it was a little bit of a political thing, but finally they are going to make this into something beautiful because it needs a facelift. So come on, let's have a look around. I'm going to show you what it looks like now, and then we're going to follow the progress as we go along. I cannot remember what this commercial centre was called before it sort of turned into this, but it's horrible, and it's been like this for a long time. You used to have the golf upstairs, looked like a crazy golf area. And Way West, look, this was Way West with the pigeon. And they were a fantastic restaurant. Everybody loved this restaurant. It was one of the best restaurants. Everybody raved about it. And it's a shame it's closed, but it's one of them things where I think the owner's been there so long and has built up such a great reputation. Maybe they'll open again when it opens, but I think it was time to close. I know a lot of people will miss it, but this place is not just dangerous, but it's horrible as well. And Puerto Del Carmen, they're developing every single day. Right, there's a few people here already. Does anybody know, can anybody remember, let me know in the comments, what this commercial centre used to be? I think it was called Aquarius, if I'm right. But now, well, it's got so much potential, look. But this is what it looks like at the moment. I mean, look at these views, absolutely stunning. Just overlooking the beach there, look. Beautiful over there. And it goes all the way down there. You've got little bar areas here. We're going to go on a little walk down and show you. So this was Way West. And well, obviously when it was open, it was clean, but now it's like completely different. So I'm not sure what it's going to be. I'm going to do my research. I'm going to find out, and we're going to see what it's going to be. I'm hoping it's not going to be a hotel or apartments. I'm hoping it's going to be something a little bit different.
So I actually found a report on Lanzarote Digital all about what is going to happen here, and I'm going to show you some exclusive photos and ideas of what Kumar Dadlani has in store for this place. Just look at how cool it looked back in the day and how nice it would have been when it was first built. But Kumar says that he's waiting for some authorization, and this could be what it looks like, with the lower floor overlooking the sea, some exclusive restaurants and shops. And Kumar is the guy that founded Lani's, the group, the boutique hotel, and he's building the other big commercial centre in Costa Teguise as well. As modernising Lanzarote, this guy seems to know what he's doing, and just look at the designs. Kumar has said that he is open and can adapt and change, so we're just waiting on those in charge to make a decision on if and when this is going to go ahead. But everything's closed up, and I'm about to take you on a walk around where you can see all the damage, all the dirt, and see exactly what it looks like now. And of course, I'm going to follow the progress of this as soon as it starts to as soon as it finishes. And we wish Kumar the best of luck. I hope he can get things sorted soon and we can put this place back on the map. Anyway, come on, let's go for a little walk around. I tell you what, this might shock you.
But you've got stairs up here, look, which lead to the way out. And you've got stairs down here as well. So there's loads of people exploring it. I don't know why, including me. But down here, look, down here, you got another place. So you can imagine back in the day when this was brand new, it would have been such a great place to be, wouldn't it? You'd have all this area here. Look, little sort of things on the walls. And everywhere you would be like a different, what they call locale, like a different shop. So they call these in Spain commercial centres, CCs. So you've got CC Atlantico a little bit further down there. You've got CC Papagayo, central commercials they're called. But this central commercial has been and nothing for quite a while. There's been one or two sort of restaurants and bars that have sort of remained here. But like I said, I think it could have been a political thing where it was like, right, if you want us to move, you have to pay us this much, and we are, you know, we're holding out until we get what we want. And finally, they've got what they want, you know? It's like, I suppose it's all about business and negotiation, isn't it? It's like, well, if you want us to move, we want that. There's a lady lying on the thing there having a read of a book. We won't disturb her, but we will. We won't disturb her, but we will. She's chilling. So there was lifts and everything in here, look. It's like a drug den now, isn't it? I'm probably going to see somebody around the corner jacking up. Look, there was a bloody lift. I would not get in that lift. Can you imagine that? Wonder if it still works. No. There was diving schools here and everything, look. It's like a little secret. It's like a little secret ghetto. What's up here? Some metal steps up here. Where does that lead us? Probably back up to nowhere, look. But you can see there's some people boozing. People have got some dodgy cans. So this is, I mean, this needs to be done, you know. Lanzarote is a beautiful place. They are constantly making it better. And this was just a thorn in Puerto Del Carmen's side, I think. And look, I mean, this led all the way down here. This place was open as like a funky sort of bar. Serenity, that's the one. As a sort of funky bar, look. And a little sort of surfer's paradise. And then down here, look, led straight onto the beach. So they could open amazing beach bars and, you know, places for the sunset. I don't think Lani's is interested in opening actual businesses anymore. I know he used to have all like the Lani's restaurants and they were his and it was the Lani's brand, but I'm sure he sort of outsourced them to people, and now some have kept the Lani's name, some haven't. So along here, look, we're going to go back up the steps down here. Look at that, straight through there, look, or up the stairs. Look at this for a dodgy alley. Look at this for a dodgy alley, look. I don't know what has been going on in here, but looks like a private party. Look, they've had barbecues and everything in here. So it's certainly needed, or it certainly needs to close down, doesn't it? Well, it has closed down. Look, there's junk everywhere. Look at this. That is awful. Bloody fire hazard. I mean, surprised nobody's jumping out at me here. It really is like the ghetto, isn't it? What a weird place. Well, a sight of Lanzarote that you don't usually see unless you come down here. So I expect this is going to be one of the only times that you're going to see this like this now, because they'll sort of block all this off and you won't be allowed to walk around it for sure once they start building it. And we'll follow the progress along the way. So there you go. If you're going to miss Way West, well, maybe it'll open again here. As I said, I don't know if this is going to be a commercial centre. I don't know if it's going to be a hotel, apartment. I will keep you posted, and I'll also keep you posted on the progress. You know me, I'll get my hard hat on and I'll be up and down these stairs like a yo-yo. Might even get the drone out. I will keep you posted. Make sure to follow this channel and let's see what exciting things are in store for us here in Puerto Del Carmen. See you in the next one.